Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Instagram account to Facebook Business Manager. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage both platforms from one central location, run cross-platform ads, and streamline your social media workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to facebook.com in your web browser and log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This is the page you'll be linking your Instagram account to, so make sure you're selecting the correct business page if you manage multiple. After clicking on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook management page. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. To begin the process of linking your Instagram account, locate the Settings button on the left navigation panel and click on it. This will open up all the configuration options available for your business page. You'll now be directed to your business page settings and privacy menu, which contains various options for customizing how your page operates. On the left navigation screen, scroll down carefully until you find an option labeled Linked Accounts. This section is specifically designed for connecting your Facebook business page with other social media platforms and external accounts. Go ahead and click on Linked Accounts to proceed. From here, you'll be presented with two options for account linking. Since we're specifically looking to link your Instagram account today, click on the Instagram option. You'll now see a feature guideline that explains how the two platforms can share content and work together. This gives you a quick overview of what connecting these accounts will enable. When you're ready, click on Connect Account. A small window will appear on your screen. Take a moment to read through the guidelines and permissions that govern the connection between both platforms. This is important because you're granting certain access rights between Facebook and Instagram. Once you've reviewed everything and agree to the terms, click on Connect. Finally, a login window will appear prompting you to enter your Instagram credentials. Simply log in with your Instagram username and password to complete the connection. The two platforms will now be linked together, allowing you to manage Instagram directly from your Facebook Business Manager, schedule posts across both platforms, and access unified analytics. And that's it, you've successfully added your Instagram account to Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.